Hi, my name is Alisa Ploco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create multiple YouTube channels with one Gmail account. See, let's start with my new channel here. This channel is for personal branding on LinkedIn. And as you can see here, if you click on channels, it says this channel doesn't feature any other channels. So let's create another channel with the same Gmail account, which will be later on shown within your channels once you click on this tab here. So let's start with the first step. On your right hand side, click on the icon here and choose from the menu options YouTube Studio. The next step would be to click here on the left hand side, Settings, and then click on Channel. After that, choose Advanced Settings. Once you're on Advanced Settings tab, scroll a little bit down and then choose from the options. In Other Settings, choose Manage Your YouTube Account. You can see here the options and choose from the options Add or Manage Your Channel. Now you can see the option Create a Channel. Click on it. And voila, you have an option to create a completely new channel under the same Gmail address. And later on, it will be shown in your YouTube Studio under the tab Channel as the other channel that you have. Or you can even have multiple channels on the same account. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Also, please consider sharing and liking this video in order for other people to be able to see the same content and to benefit from it. If you want to see more content like this on my channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to take action after learning all those things. Have a blessed day.